In today's video, here is a nice quicker problem. So it's coming from the Bulgarian Mathematical Olympiad 2006. Here is the following information: for all n as a positive integer, satisfy this following equation. We have sine of n alpha over sine alpha minus cosine n alpha over cosine alpha equals n minus 1. So our goal we are going to determine n. Okay, what's the value of n satisfy this equation? I'm going straight to the solution. So regarding the trigonometry function, we have a nice formula here regarding sine function. We get sine of a minus b, which equals sine of a is multiplied by cosine of b minus cosine a is multiplied by sine b. Okay, this is very known formula. So we have 4 of them here. So I'm going to use exactly this one because I have sine here. Let's fix this fraction by making sine alpha cosine alpha as a common denominator. So I get the following. I get n minus 1, which equals sine alpha is multiplied by cosine alpha. The numerator becomes sine n alpha is multiplied by cosine alpha minus sine alpha is multiplied by cosine n alpha. Okay, so if you take a look at this expression, this one is written exactly on this form. Okay, I'm going to change it into this form, so which means I get sine of n alpha minus alpha, okay, which equals n minus 1. So the whole thing is divided by sine alpha is multiplied by cosine alpha. Also, I'm going to multiply this term by this one. I get n minus 1 factor sine alpha is multiplied by cosine alpha, which equals this term sine of. I'm going to take alpha here as a common factor. So I get alpha factor n minus 1. So if you take a look at this term here, this one exactly is a half sine of 2 alpha. Okay, it's very known formula, which means I get here n minus 1 over 2 factor sine of 2 alpha, which equals sine of alpha factor n minus 1. So I have ended with very nice formula here. So we get this coefficient equals number 1, because the coefficient here equals number 1 because I'm doing the like terms. Also inside of the sine alpha we get this number 2 equals n minus 1. Okay, so let's do that. Put this one on the form of the equation system. I get n minus 1 over 2, which equals 1. Also I get number 2 equals n minus 1. If I try to solve these two equations, you will have a similar results. Moving over minus 1 to the left, I get n equals 3. Also multiplying this one by this one, I get n minus 1 equals 2, which is n equals 3, which means n equals 3. Now I have determined the value of n, which is n equals 3. So I have ended this video. By the way, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and support the channel. And thank you for watching. I will see you next video. Bye.